The visible surfaces of the run-flat shields are generously lubricated. This step is crucial. The run-flat shields are fully closed using the remote control. The tire is positioned in front of the run-flat shields. Hooks attach to the crane lift and position the tire on the run-flat shields. The strap is passed around the run-flat inside the tubeless tire. The strap must be exactly at the top and center of the tire. The strap is secured to piston number 3 with a hook. The assembled pipe on piston number 3 is removed. The piston is retracted using the remote control. Lubrication ensures the run-flat easily fits inside the tire. The run-flat is pushed slightly forward to center its post. A notch on the run-flat is aligned perfectly in the center. The run-flat shields are slowly and evenly closed via remote control. Hooks lift the tire and place it onto the run-flat shields. The shields are gradually and evenly opened slightly to the left and right. The tire is manually moved side to side to check its stability. It should not move. The security shield is lubricated and inserted through the tire opening, first from the top, then the bottom. The security chain is wrapped around the shield and fastened to the other run-flat shield. Piston number 3 is pushed forward gradually until the run-flat touches the security shield, then fully inserted. The run-flat shields are closed and the tire is lifted from them using hooks.